Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Dr. Tachycardia, and actually, this is actually my first video. So kind of new to the game, and technology has always been, a passion of mine. I've always loved tech, like the newest stuff that come out. I always have to try. But like I said, this is the first time. I'm trying something like this. Over the past few years, I've watched a lot of the big tech guys on YouTube, and them doing like reviews and stuff like that. And I always thought about doing my own, and I figured why not start today. So yeah, the reason for my username, Dr. Tachycardia. Yeah, so if you can probably kind of guess or assume that I'm in the medical field. I'm actually a medical student. So I currently go to school. I'm in my third year of med school, and yeah, so I'm pretty busy with school and life and stuff. But this is just a side thing I want to try just because I have a passion in technology and I love it so much. But yeah, so anyways, just to start it off real quick, I know I've been babbling for a while. It's kind of small, but I was at TJ Maxx the other day, and I saw this bad boy. It looks like looks like some nice headphones, in-ear headphones, and I figured, why not do an unboxing of this thing and see what this is made of. This is the Hypergear Lowrider stereo earphones. So it has a built-in mic, and apparently it has some good noise isolation to it, and some stereo sound. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and open up this bad boy. I got my handy dandy knife here. It's kind of sharp, so. But yeah, so as time goes on, I'm gonna try to do more unboxings like these. I obviously have more of an interest in bigger tech like cell phones and computers and stuff like that. And whenever I get my hands on something like that, I will also do an unboxing and a review as time progresses. But I figured, why not start off small? And yeah. So right out of the box, just some basic packaging. Okay, this is empty. And by the way, this was pretty fairly priced, $5.99 at TJ Maxx. And it looks pretty cool. I like the color. It's yellow. It stands out for sure. Some paperwork, just one sheet. Just some safety warnings. And then it comes with some extra earpieces, to fit your ear canal, I guess. The ones on here are the medium ones, and there's this smaller one and a bigger size. And this little packet. And also there's this little, customer service card for questions or information on it. You can register your Hypergear headphones, and also when you register online, you can instantly win $25 in discounts and a chance to win a free gift of up to $50 in value. So that's pretty cool. I might do that later. I don't know, might not. But anyways, these are the headphones, and they're the flat wire, which is great because it keeps it from getting tangled too much. And let's pop these guys out, and right off the bat, they feel pretty nice. The wire feels nice, but the earbud part, this here is plastic, and it feels a little on the cheaper end, but not too bad. The build quality otherwise is pretty nice. This is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Unfortunately, most phones nowadays seem to be dropping the headphone jack, but this one here is a 3.5 ml jack, and yeah, so it's a nice yellow color. Let's put that aside, and it's fairly long. I would say about 3 feet or so. Actually, maybe a little longer. The wire itself is pretty good quality. The junction point between the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, or piece in the wire. It's pretty well built. You know, this part here, it feels a little cheap, but not too bad. And here you have the mic with a little button. I'm assuming it's to turn on and off the mic. But yeah, so overall, you know, it's pretty nice. I'm gonna test it out, and then maybe leave a little paragraph review on it in the comment section below, or in the information of the video, and you guys can read up on that. But yeah, anyways, since this is my first video, you know, I'd really appreciate it if you guys can like critique me or give me some pointers on what I can do to improve these videos, or you know, what other things you would like to see reviewed. Like I said, I'm open to all types of technology, from, I don't know, smart tech to you know, audio tech, maybe smart vacuums, even smart TVs, you know, cell phones, you know. But yeah, but that's it for now. So leave a comment if you like videos like this and want more of it. You know, give me a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it, and also subscribe, so this way you know when the next video comes out. But yeah, anyways, thanks for joining me, and we're gonna cut it short here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave my little review in the description so you guys can read up on that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. This is Dr. Tachycardia again, and take care. Bye.